What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are back with another G-Wagon. This one looks really exciting. It's a G550. One thing I wanted to note is my last couple of videos, I noticed a little ticking sound coming from the microphone for the first minute or two from the video. I looked it up, and I guess it's a common issue with the road video might go. I guess external interference from Wi-Fi signals or whatnot can cause that. So I turned off the Wi-Fi setting on my camera and I put my cell phone on airplane mode. So I don't know if that's going to make a difference for this video. Comment below if you guys hear any weird clicking noises or any kind of interference from the mic. There's some fixes on YouTube that I've looked at. So again, give me your feedback. Let me know if you notice this issue. But in the meantime, let's check out the G-Wagon. Let's see how it does here. I also want to demonstrate really quick. This thing has some of the loudest door locks I've ever listened to. Take a listen. Oh, I gotta take the key out. No other car sounds like this. That is insane. They don't make them like they used to. Alright. Also, got me a new camera bag from Canon. So you hold all my crap. Not a lot of leg room in my seating position, but again, if you're a smaller dude, it'll probably fit just fine back here. I believe this is real leather, but it's a lower grade of real leather. And let's check out the front. Alright, now these two little parts here were traditionally Mercedes don't do so well. Yeah, not the best. Even the plastic feels really cheap feeling. Now that is exceptionally bad. I don't know if it's broken though, but it's like not ideal. All right, now let's do the button test. Very springy. And let's start her up. This car does have a pretty nice exhaust, by the way. All right. One thing to note quick, guys, is again, let me know if you hear that ticking noise or any kind of interference, but I'm having a little bit of a hard time with this camera with autofocus. I notice I have to tap on the little viewfinder to focus in sometimes. It's a little bit annoying. When I recorded with my phone, it didn't do that, so I don't know if it's something I'm doing wrong or what's going on. I know some people use manual focus, but I'm a one-man band, so it's not always easy to do that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think though in the comments. Anyway, I want to let you guys listen to the exhaust. This is not even the AMG. This is just the base twin turbo V8. I want you guys to hear the exhaust. Pretty impressive. Anyway, the last G-Wagon I did was a G63 AMG. That had a little bit nicer materials than this car, but I think the fit and finish score is going to be about the same as that one. I can put a link in the description for that video. That one was a 5 out of 10 for fit and finish. I'd say this one is the same as that one, 5 out of 10. We got some little squeaks up here. Not the worst I've seen from Mercedes though, honestly. Some of these older material bits here, like they don't use this material in other Mercedes. This is a carryover from the 90s stuff. Parts like that don't squeak. So again, all the modern Mercedes stuff squeaks. So 5 out of 10 for fit and finish, just like the last car. Material wise, this one's a little bit lower than the G63. That car had diamond quilted Napa leather, it had carbon fiber in this kind of area, whereas it's just black plastic over here. So gotta knock a couple points for that just in materials. We do have leather seats though, which is cool. It's not as high grade of leather as the G63, but it's still real leather. And then we got the infamous plastic sun visor. Not ideal, wish it was cloth. So material score, I'm going to give a 6 out of 10 on this one, just knocking it a couple points because it's not as decked out as the G63. So there you guys have it. 5 out of 10 for fit and finish, 6 out of 10 for materials. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.